Hey guys, so another method that we're looking at today is 2-digit by 2-digit grid multiplication. So the directions say solve the multiplication problems below using the grid method. Remember to show your work. So the directions, we've got to solve using the grid method and we've got to show our work. Those are things that we can do. All right, so we multiply 20 times 30. All right, so how many first thing you want to look at is see how many zeros you have. I've got 1 0, 2 zeros, so I'm going to add 1 and 2. And then I multiply 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, so that's 600. All right, and now I'm going to multiply 20. I'm going to multiply 20 times 4. Okay, so I've got 1 0, so I've got to add 1 0 here for the ones place, and then in the tens place I've got a 2, so I got to multiply 2 times 4, so 2 times 4 is 8. All right, so now I want to move down to the bottom row and I want to multiply 5 times 30, but first I want to go ahead and take this 0 and I'm going to write that down in the ones place. That's my ones place filler. And then the next thing I'm going to do is multiply 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And then lastly, I am going to multiply 4 times 5. And I know that 4 times 5 is 20. So now these are all just partial products. Remember, we've been talking about partial products. And so 600 is a partial product. 80 is the partial product of, let me start over. 600 is the partial product of 20 times 30. 80 is the partial product of 20 times 4. 100 is the partial product of 5 times 30. 20 is the partial product of 5 times 4. All right, so now I've got to add 600 and 100. So 600 plus 100 is 700. And then I've got to add 80 plus 20. 80 plus 20 is 100. So 700 plus 100 equals 800. That leaves you only 5 more problems to work today. You shouldn't have any problem with these because we've been working on these for the past 2 or 3 months in class, okay? Remember, you have to try it. You may not leave it blank. I'll see you Monday.